Hey everyone, welcome back to another art lesson with Miss Mackie. Today, get started, write your name on your paper. You may use a ruler, but you don't have to. We're going to create a cereal box artwork. And so you can just draw a rectangle to get started. I approximately about 4 by 3, but that's kind of approximate. You may use your paper the other way if you want your box to be a little bit taller. But some kind of rectangle shape. Then we're going to go, and from the corners of 3 of them, we're going to draw at a diagonal. And so I'm going to go over here and try to make it kind of the same direction. Same diagonal line, kind of. And then if you have any extra lines, you can always erase. The last line is going to come back with a parallel line. That's going to go vertical. And then this one is going to go horizontal back to connecting. That will get you your main shape of your box. The next part, if you want to have like a flap right here on your box, you could kind of draw another line, and then you could come across with that kind of flap that comes down. Now, in your background, you could draw other things. A glass is one of them, maybe for like juice or something. You could have like a round top or oval top. Line kind of comes down at a little bit of an diagonal line, and then with the half round part at the bottom. If you wanted it to look like the juices are red there in the line, you could add that into yours. Now, in the background, we wanted to have it so that this is sitting on the ground, so I'm going to add a horizon line. Where it touches the box or the glass, it's going to go behind. So this line is going to go all the way across the back. And this is where you get to design your box. Your cereal could be called Fun Cereal, right? And if you want to, then you're going to design your letters, and you could write them out like plain letters and then go back and make them into block letters. Right? So something like this would be a simple start to actually making your cereal box. But you can come up with whatever kind of cereal you would like and think is appropriate for your class. So today, draw out a design. You may have different kinds of cartoons on yours, right? You may actually have it so that you have a bowl of cereal on yours, and you might look and make it so that your Fun Cereal has different fruits and different designs. Once you get all the way done with it, you can go back, you could add some other stuff, and you could add some color to it. So that's us getting started today on Let's Create a Cereal Box. The first step, again, is making a rectangle, 3 diagonal lines. This line is going to go back parallel. You may add a line and a flap for your top of your cereal box. You could even have the word maybe like open on it, right? And then you could have things like ingredients, right? You could definitely put some stuff like this onto your actual artwork, or you guys could add other stuff like a glass of juice or some cereal boxes, or you could have a cereal bowl down here. So let's create a cereal box artwork. I hope you guys have a great day creating a cereal box artwork.